Hello everyone. When we have two quantitative variables, we are usually interested in their relationship. We can use a scatter plot to look for a pattern in this relationship. In this lecture, we will discuss what questions we should ask to describe the pattern of this relationship. These are the aims of the lecture. When we are dealing with two quantitative variables, we are interested in their relationship. Often, we can identify one variable as an explanatory variable and the other as the response variable. Do you remember which variable is plotted on the vertical axis and which one is plotted on the horizontal axis? The response variable is plotted on the vertical axis or y-axis, and the explanatory variable is plotted on the horizontal axis or x-axis. Let's see an example. We can use a scatter plot to examine the relationship between these two variables. In this case, body weight is the explanatory variable and heart weight is the response variable. So, we plot body weight along the x-axis and the heart weight along the y-axis. Here is the scatter plot for the body weight and heart weight of 144 cats. From this scatter plot, can we tell about the relationship between body weight and heart weight? We can see from the scatter plot that the relationship between these two variables is linear. An increase in body weight corresponds to an increase in heart weight. In other words, a heavier cat will have a bigger heart. These are questions we should ask when looking for pattern. Does it look like a straight line or is it curved? Two variables have a linear relationship when the pattern of their relationship resembles a straight line. Two variables have a nonlinear or curvilinear relationship when the pattern of their relationship resembles a curve. Is it a positive or a negative relationship? Two variables have a positive association when the value of one variable tends to increase as the value of the other variable increase. Two variables have a negative association when the value of one variable tends to decrease as the value of the other variable increase. This is related to how well the average pattern fits the data point. In a linear relationship, the average pattern is a straight line. Are the points close to this straight line? Or spread out around the straight line? Outliers will affect the relationship. With outliers, the relationship is not that strong. After removing the outliers, the relationship is stronger. What would happen to the strength of the linear relationship in each of these scatter plots when the outliers or any unusual data points are removed? If there are subgroups, the relationship within each subgroup could be different than the relationship across the subgroups. When we inappropriately combine subgroups, the relationship for the combined group can misrepresent the relationship that we see in each subgroup. Here is the scatter plot for the 144 cats. It shows a medium relationship between body weight and heart rate. These 144 cats can be divided into 97 male cats and 47 female cats. Do the relationship between body weight and heart rate are the same for males and female cats? No. The relationship among male cats is similar to the one across 144 cats. But there is a weaker relationship between body weight and heart rate among female cats. Therefore, we have to be careful when combining groups to describe a relationship between two quantitative variables. Now, can you do this?